Greetings, friends. My name is Tangi Shogalola, and I'm a public education specialist with the Fort Worth Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you a cool way that you can make your own musical instrument using only scissors and straw. Once you're done, you're going to be able to create these cool sounds. Let's get started. So now that we have our supplies, the first step that we're going to take is grabbing our straws, and we're going to flatten them out as much as we can. Flattening them will help produce a better sound. Okay. So once we're done with that, we're going to take our scissors, and then we're going to get our straw, and then we're going to cut it diagonally on one side and then the other side. Okay. Then we're going to do the same thing with our second straw. I'm not done yet because now I want one of my straws to be longer than the other one. So all I did was cut this one in half, and that's it. The flattened ends vibrate when air passes through it, just like an oboe. The longer the straw is, the lower the note, and the shorter the straw is, the higher the note. Have fun with your new instrument, and I'll see you next time.